My name is Lisbeth Muller, and today we're going to make congri. I'm cooking 2 cups of rice, of black rice, but we start out with white rice. Okay, I'm using a measuring cup, a cup, that's 1, and 2. I'm going to wash my white rice, wash it all the time, making sure that I just get the water a little bit clear before I start my black rice and before I show you how to finish this off. I'm going to drain all the water out. I don't want to see any water in the pot. I want only the liquid from the black beans to be in this rice, because then it loses its color and its flavor. You want it just to be the liquid from the black beans. You don't want it to be the liquid from the rice. Okay, from the rice here, see? Pure water. Just dump it out. And if you like, you can use a strainer to get all the fluid out, all the liquids. Okay, so it's better for you.